I really believe the key issue with businesses today, with shops today, is they're hiring individuals. When you have a bunch of individuals in a business, you get this all day long. When you can get people that all want to go this way and they know why it's important and they know what they get for doing it, then you end up with a lot less this and a lot more of this, where you're in sync with each other. And that makes all the difference in the world. You can't do it by yourself. As a leader, foundationally, you need a team. When you have that team, it's absolute magic.